Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering off the phone to prevent short circuits and network confusion. Next, find the SIM tray, usually on the right edge or top. Note the tiny hole. Once located, insert the eject tool or a straightened paperclip and press firmly until the tray pops out. Make sure to hold the phone steady and pull the tray straight. This prevents bending. If your phone has a combined SIM/micro SD slot, decide which slot the new SIM will occupy before proceeding. Once the tray is out, gently lift the old SIM using your fingernail or plastic tool. Do not touch the gold contacts to avoid oils or static. Place the new SIM into the tray matching the cut corner and orientation marks. It should lie flat without force. Carefully slide the tray back into the phone, making sure it's flush, and aligned so the seal and any water resistance remain effective. After reinserting, power the phone on and wait for network registration to begin. You should see carrier name and signal bars within a minute. If not, toggle airplane mode off and on to prompt a network rescan. If the phone still won't register, power it down and reseat the SIM to ensure good contact, or try a different SIM tray slot when available. Make sure APN settings are correct for data. If problems persist, contact your carrier and provide the SIM ICSID or use their activation app. This step resolves most activation and connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.